Hey guys, Mark here from CNC Sourced, excited to show you how to laser cut plywood today. Plywood is one of the most popular materials for hobbyists to use with their laser cutters. It's easy to source, comes in a variety of wood types and thicknesses, and gives great results when laser cut or engraved. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know as a hobbyist to successfully cut and engrave plywood using your laser cutter. I'll explain how to select the right laser cutter for plywood projects. Choose the best plywood for your needs. Prepare your designs. Dial in the perfect settings. Use air assist for best results. Take safety precautions and apply finishing techniques for clean, professional-looking projects. We'll also troubleshoot the most common issues that can come up when laser cutting plywood, so you know how to avoid and solve them. By the end, you'll have total confidence in how to laser cut plywood to create awesome home decor pieces, jewelry, coasters, signs, and more. Let's jump in. The first step is having the right laser cutter. For plywood, you'll want either a CO2 laser cutter or a diode laser. CO2 lasers are more powerful, while diode lasers are more affordable for hobbyists. Avoid fiber lasers, as they struggle to cut plywood cleanly and risk catching it on fire. For a diode laser, aim for at least 10 watts of power, with 20 watts ideal for cutting thicker plywood sheets. On the CO2 laser side, a 30 to 40 watt laser like the OMTech 40 watt CO2 is a good fit. More power means you can cut thicker plywood in fewer passes. Next, choose the best plywood for your projects in terms of type of wood and thickness. Your laser's power and other specs determine the max thickness it can reliably cut in one pass. But with multiple passes, you may be able to cut thicker sheets up to around 12 millimeters for most hobby lasers. Popular plywood types are birch, bamboo, basswood, and beech. Birch is budget-friendly and versatile. Basswood cuts easier for weaker lasers. Bamboo has very consistent results, and beech looks amazing when laser engraved. With your materials ready, the next step is preparing your designs. For raster engraving, use common image formats like PNG or JPEG. For the vector cutting lines, you'll need an SVG or other vector file. Many laser software programs allow designing the vectors directly in the software. Otherwise, use Illustrator or similar vector design tools. Speaking of software, you'll need to set different parameters for the engraving versus the cutting operations. For cutting plywood, use high laser power, low speed, and max air assist. This results in clean cuts without excess burning or charring. For engraving, go with lower power and much higher speeds. Dial this in through testing. Be sure to use air assist when laser cutting plywood. The compressed airstream blowing on the material helps cut thicker sheets than otherwise possible. It also keeps the focal point cool, preventing burns and reducing the risk of fires. Proper ventilation and exhaust are also super important when working with plywood to remove fumes. After cutting your plywood pieces, a bit of post-processing can take your projects from good to great. Sanding the edges removes any charring from cutting. Try applying masking tape to engraving areas before running the job to prevent charring on the engraving. And cleaning with denatured alcohol post-engraving can further improve the results. With the right plywood, laser cutter, settings, and finishing techniques, you can create amazing home decor, jewelry, bookmarks, coasters, signs, and so much more. Getting creative with laser-cut plywood projects is a blast. If you want an even more in-depth guide on successfully laser cutting and engraving plywood, check the link in the video description. It will take you to our complete walkthrough over on the blog covering this topic. You'll find more details on the whole process from start to finish, troubleshooting tips, project ideas, and more. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about working with plywood on your laser. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for more CNC and laser videos every single week. See you next time, guys!